A nutritious side dish packed with protein, minerals, and vitamins. Here it is, spinach with split moong dal. Let's add 1 green chilli, 25 gram shallots, 5 gram garlic, 2 gram ginger, and a quarter teaspoon of fennel seed into the mixing bowl. Chop 3 seconds, beat 7. Scrape down the sides and add 10 grams of oil. Then saute 4 minutes, 120 degrees spoon mode. Add 250 gram coarse chopped spinach and 5 grams of salt. Cover with lid and measuring cup. Cook 4 minutes, Varoma, speed 1.5. Scrape down the sides, cover with lid and measuring cup. Now we will blend at 30 seconds, speed 8. Down the blended spinach off the mixing bowl and lid. Add the cooked moong dal, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and half a teaspoon of cumin powder. Cook without measuring cup for 3 minutes, Varoma, reverse spoon. That looks delicious. Do transfer to a serving bowl. Here we have our protein-packed spinach dish.